We are fast approaching the last month of winter, which means it is harvest time here at Nonna and Pa's house. Come with us as we take a tour of the garden, see how everything has progressed, and come along as Nonna and Pa do a bit of a harvest and prepare some food ready for the dinner table.
Come on, Chloe, we're going to get the broccoli. Come on, come with Nonna.
The cool thing about most of this produce is that almost everything in this garden arrived in a little box. In fact, it was about half the contents of a little box that was sent to us by QP Seedlings as a gift. It felt like a bit of an experiment in the beginning. We were planting seedlings that arrived in the mail, but come check out how they've gone.
We're really impressed, actually, yeah. Quality is great, and as I said, we've tried things that we wouldn't normally try, and they seem to be turning out really well.
Are you pleased with how these are going?
Oh, they're growing great, yeah. And it's the last week that they've really picked up. Lots of flowers, already picking some. Look, there's a snow pea. Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there too.
Yes, two, yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
Actually, three.
Do you want one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can eat that.
We don't normally put anything much in winter, but we've got a real variety here now.
Have a look at this at the beetroot, Christy. They're going to grow more and more now.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. They're just going to get bigger and bigger.
They look great.
Yeah.
Orange beet.
Yeah, yeah. They're QP ones, and they're doing much better than the ones we bought from the nursery. See how much, can you see the difference in them?
Compared
to around these ones here.
Just like, these are a lot, look at how small these are.
These are a lot smaller,
Very tiny.
which make the QP ones very impressive as far as the seedling goes. The celery, yours is bigger than ours, yeah.
I just must be more talented.
I've started picking it and using it in soups and that.
Yum.
Yeah.
How does it taste compared to normal
Oh,
celery?
it's much more flavoursome, yeah. Silver beet's doing really well. Been cooking with it, been using it already, as you can see.
Looks so sort of healthy. And
Aren't they
luscious,
healthy?
doesn't it?
Yeah, they're so healthy. Right. And look at that. Yeah.
So silver beet's one of those things that will just keep on growing.
Keep on growing, yeah. And I need to pick a few.
I like spring onions. They're obviously, I think they're really ready to be pulled now from what I gather. I believe you can actually just cut the tops off and use the tops, the green bits, but then if you want the white bits underneath, you basically pull the whole bunch out, I think. It's like you buy in the shops as bunches, but we'll probably have a go at doing our own seeds or seedlings in those.
Tell me about your kohlrabi.
Well, kohlrabi is doing very well. It's got to get a little bit bigger, I think. So we'll have a lot of fun experimenting because I've never used them before and I've never grown them before.
They look
And these are the
amazing, don't they?
QP ones as well. They look very healthy. They look quite amazing, really.
How good does your rainbow shine?
Oh, isn't it beautiful? It is absolutely gorgeous. When I was planting the seedlings, I didn't separate them properly because I've put in two different ones together. So that should have been a separate plant.
Oh, and you can see that's growing
Yeah.
really well. And
Yeah,
that
yeah,
one's
and that's, yes.
been competing for
Yes,
space and
yeah.
nutrients. Oh, the colours are so
Aren't the
good.
colours gorgeous? Broccoli. And we're going to pick that one today. That's
Wow.
yours, Christy.
They look so good.
Aren't they good? You like broccoli, don't you? Yeah. Yes. Look. Look at that. This is for your dinner. And you like broccolini too, don't you?
And since we last spoke, you've moved your broad beans.
Broad beans from this spot, which don't get the sun, and we've put them here, and you can see the difference in them, can't you? And these are the orange cauliflower.
Oh wow, look at that
Heaven.
colour.
Yeah. Isn't it brilliant? And there's another one happening there. And these are red cabbages. You can start seeing the layering of them.
My red cabbages have started to form heads.
I
which is very
know, I
exciting.
know. I saw that. These are a bit behind, but I think I'll put them in after you. And these are the purple kale and the green kale.
These are beautiful.
Yeah,
And these are ready to harvest.
yes, yeah,
That just looks like it's packed full of nutrition.
yes, beautiful.
If that's a superfood, that's going to be like an ultra
A
superfood.
superfood, yeah. What I might do is... And would you like a green one?
Only if you won't eat it.
Yeah. Well, it's to be shared, Christy. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous?
You being careful there, Baba? You're not going to dig up any of the plants, are you?
That's the rocket.
Oh no, how good is that?
Yeah. Oh, I can go there. Beautiful lemons.
And how's your broccolini going?
They're not bad. I think with a bit more sun in the next week, they might do a lot better. We put them in a bit later. Yes, Bella.
Can I have another one?
You want another snow pea? Okay. It's pretty good, isn't it?
What are your overall feelings about your winter crops?
Really happy with it, yeah. Very happy with it. The family's getting their feed of it. So that's the best part.
If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss the next garden tour. Also hit the like button, that helps other people find the video. Let's keep going. So Mary, if you can't get through all this kale in one go, how can you keep that going for a bit longer?
Well, what you do is you boil it up, bring it to the boil and blanch it for a couple of minutes and strain it. Then squeeze the excess water out and place them in bags of whatever weight you want to freeze, and you can pop them in the freezer and just use them as you need them. Or you can make kale chips as well.
We recorded a whole video and garden tour when all of this was just planted. So go and have a look at Nonna and Pa's winter garden tour and check out that video. It'll also give you some awesome insight into the background of these guys and why they love gardening so much. See a little drop down thing up here? That's the link to the video. I will also put a link to it in the description. I'm always on the lookout for awesome gardens in and around Melbourne to feature on this channel, particularly people to chat to who can teach us things about how they get their veggies to thrive. If you know someone, leave me a message. I will put my email address right here and also in the description of this video.